Hello, it's Lee Bernstein here from Loyalty Dog, and in this quick tutorial we're going to review how to swiftly set up the offer that you're going to use when you first come about and launch your Loyalty Dog application. So here we are, having logged into the Loyalty Dog dashboard. We go to the offers page on the tab over here, and we click on the green plus icon to open up the new form. In this new form, we're going to now create our offer based on an average spend of £20 and that the customer has been in 2 times before he receives the offer. So first of all, we'll call the offer by its name, £2 off the bill. Off the total bill, there we go. We're going to leave a description blank for now, and we don't have to put a start and end date in for the purpose of this first offer. We're going to choose a fixed amount and make that the value 2, so it's £2 off the bill. We will choose the currency code. In our case, Great British Pounds is our currency, so we'll use currency GBP. We'll make it no condition applied. If we're making it no condition applied, we have to leave special categories and special products blank. This is the first offer we're making. We want to make it a quick offer and an understandable offer to all our customers. We then decide how many points the customer has to have in order to redeem this offer. And we said we'll make it to the value of 40 points, which means that the customer will have spent or accrued 40 points by spending £40 in our business. By the way, it's the same if we're talking about dollars, euros, or any other currency. We are rewarding 1 point per unit of currency, in this case, 1 point a pound. And then when the customer has got 40 points in his balance, he will be entitled to redeem this offer, which gives him £2 off the bill. Finally, we can put in a message in here. This is the great offer which will be sent to the customer when he first has 40 points. That's it. That's setting up the first offer. We go ahead and go press create. We can then have the option of customizing this. If we want to customize the offer and make it decorated with our video, with our logos and different colors, which we do up here. If not, we can simply save it and we publish it as it is. Save and close over here and just press publish, and the offer is published and ready to be used. And when the customer comes into your Epos Now store or logs onto your Shopify store, they'll be able to redeem this offer for a value of 40 points. Thank you.